In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Apple Mail inbox on your iPhone and iPad. If you've ever found yourself feeling overwhelmed by a cluttered inbox, you're not alone. Managing emails can be a daunting task, but with a few simple steps, you can streamline your email experience and keep your inbox tidy and efficient. First, let's start by creating folders. This is an excellent way to categorize and manage your emails more effectively. Begin by opening your Mail app and navigating to the Mailboxes screen. Tap on Edit in the top right corner, then select New Mailbox. This option allows you to create specific folders for different kinds of emails. You might want to name these folders something meaningful, such as Work for professional correspondence and Family for personal messages. This simple organization step will make it much easier to find and manage specific emails when needed. Once you've set up your folders, it's time to move emails into them. Start by opening an email you wish to organize. Tap the folder icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and choose the appropriate folder you've created. This action physically moves the email from your main inbox into the designated folder, keeping everything neat and categorized. It might take a bit of time to move all your emails initially, especially if your inbox is cluttered, but doing so will save you time and energy in the long run. Now let's talk about using flags. Flags are a fantastic feature for marking emails as important or for follow-up. To flag an email, simply swipe left on it in the inbox. You'll see an option to flag it, marking the email with a colored tag. This makes important messages stand out and easier to locate later. Whether it's an email you need to respond to or one you want to keep an eye on, using flags can be a lifesaver in email management. Another powerful tool at your disposal is the VIP contacts feature. If there are certain contacts you receive important emails from, you can add them to your VIP list. To do this, tap on the sender's name in the email header and select Add to VIP. This creates a special VIP inbox that filters emails from these specific individuals, ensuring you never miss a crucial message from them. By implementing these steps, not only will your inbox become more organized, but it will also become more manageable and less stressful. Taking a few minutes to create folders, move emails, use flags, and set VIP contacts can transform how you interact with your inbox every day. You'll find emails faster, stay on top of priorities, and maintain a clutter-free digital environment. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.